Hi everyone, welcome back to Ezarctools. Remember when Project Farm tested our step drill? That feedback inspired us to take action. We went back to the drawing board, redefined the product, and worked closely with our factory to iterate it. Today, we're excited to announce that the upgraded Ezarc step drill is now available. The new and upgraded Ezarc step drill performs the optimized balance between speed and lifetime. It delivers faster cutting, longer life, and unmatched precision. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this tool is built to exceed your expectations. Ready to experience the difference? The upgraded step drill is now available for purchase on our official website and other official platforms as well. We're offering extra discounts during the new product launch. Don't miss out. Upgrade your toolkit today. At Ezarctools, we're committed to innovation and quality. Your feedback drives us to be better, and we can't wait to hear what you think about our latest upgrade. Try it out, put it to the test, and let us know how we did.